Hi guys, this is Algates creating new rules in YouTube. And in this video, I am going to tell you how to record your screen, either mobile or window desktop with Canva. In Canva, I already released so many episodes. Just watch it and learn easily with Algates. You want to learn more about Canva? Then subscribe my channel and learn easily. Let's watch step by step procedure how to record your screen with Canva. Let's go. Now open Canva homepage. In that you can select video. Then I'm going to select a YouTube video. So there is a new page open. You can create name for your Canva video page. Then in that left column you can see there is upload. In uploads you can select there is two options, upload media and record yourself. So I am going to select record yourself. Once open, there is pop-up menu open. In that there is three options, camera and screen, only screen. In my case, I want show my face and record my screen also. So there is a camera options. If you want to virtual camera or integrated camera, you can select your camera. So in my case, I'm record with my integrated camera with my system only. So I'm going to select camera and screen. Once selected, there is three options, entire screen, window and Chrome tab. I'm going to record Canva only. So I already displayed in that I given name 1, 2, 3. So in that page only I'm going to record. So now I'm given sharing. So now I'm giving option for record. So now on my screen is recording. So this recording going on. Once your screen record completed, then put time. So once you then give save and exit. So now your video automatically come to Canva page. So you can check. You can select your video and adjust, either you want screen full screen or camera somewhere position. You can adjust the camera and you can adjust the screen. You can make editing whatever you want. You can edit your video and save your file with Canva. You can also save any other folder or you can directly save changes. That's all. Hope you all learned from this video. Thanks for watching. Welcome.